That's right, Power Plug Radio, Skibolive in the building. You know what I'm saying?
What up, what up?
You already know. Got the homie in the building.
You know, man, the comeback king is definitely in the building today, baby.
Oh yeah, your boy.
So what's going on? What's going on, people?
Ho, Jack. Who you say in here? Flossie James from the Willie James gang, baby. What up, babe? Sell mofo, beta for a roll. You know what it is. Good. For real. Okay, let's get back to it. And I am. Oh, so necessary. And we in the mix with DJ Namdi today. So how's everybody doing? This Freaky Funny Friday. Our second week in the building. You know what I mean? Power Plug Radio, oh so necessary in the building. I got my big homie in the building. Skibo, what up?
You already know what it is, man. We here.
Friday.
L-I-V-E in the place to be.
And we killing them.
Yeah, man. We got some, some flavors coming for you, man. You
right.
Know you know how we do.
Okay.
Where's 8?
Eight is up.
Yeah.
8 is up.
Yeah.
Good. Hey, it's gonna be a beautiful day today.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day today.
It's gonna be beautiful today.
You already know, man. So we got a lot in store today. We're gonna talk about a little bit of this and a little bit of that. You already know Namdi Nam in the building, film guy extraordinaire. And man, we just glad to be here. We're gonna recap what's done went down for the last week.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
Lot of stuff,
Tempting Lady Tuesday, man.
Right.
We had the whole staff in. Passionate P was in the building.
Right.
Fat Stacks was in the building. Tasha the model slid through.
Right.
You know. So again, Wednesday, way back Wednesday, we had the homage hour with Laquan the God.
Right.
You know. And we paid homage to, I think we paid homage
I gotta
to Skibo.
catch one of those
Yeah.
Word. I gotta
Right.
catch one of those
Definitely
homage hour
So,
Wednesdays, man. Gotta definitely do that. Well, you might as well kick it back to the music there until we get Namdi right.
Well, let's get back to the music, man. This Power 104.4 FM.
Yeah.
SZA take us away.
We got the streets, baby.
Mix with DJ Namdi. This your host, oh so necessary, man. We in the building, man. Freaky Funny Friday, man. Namdi.
Yep.
Keep it hot on them, baby. Temperatures rising, man. We'll be right back with you.
What's that?
They probably got the phones tapped, so I won't speak long. Give me a hot second, and I'ma put you on. It's all messed up, somebody snitching on the crew. And word is on the streets, they got pictures of you. Homicide came to the crib last night, 6 deep. Action on your whereabouts and where you sleep. They said they just want to question you. To me and you know, they want to get you. All they do is just...
Monday, everybody be somber, so we come in and Tuesday, we can't crank up. When Friday come, that's why we like this. You know what I'm saying? It's like, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Just something in the news or something. You know what I mean? But always keep your ideas because you know we're going to have them times when we have that time when we just got to be in here when ain't nobody really here. You know what I'm saying? We need the topic, you feel what I'm saying? T-Babe, what's up, baby? What a Willie James gang get out there? Good? My way. I'm DUI, hardly ever caught though. And you don't have to be brand of blood.
DJ Namdi on the ones and twos. Namdi on the ones and twos. Check. We live. We in the place to be. You already know what it is. Power 104.4. Yeah. Freaky, funny, Friday. DJ Namdi in the mix. Let's go.
Like you said, same time. Where you living? You in the kitchen, the police trying to clip us. We ain't even trip. I'm going in. I'm going in. I'm going in. I'm going in.
Did you get last commercial? Did the last one? Okay. 5 down and 8 up.
I'm going in. I'm going in. I'm going in.
Make sure the mic's
I'm going in.
I heard y'all talking yesterday. I forgot to say that. Okay. I heard y'all talking, man. The mic's on. Hey, hold up, Skibbo. Hey,
What it do?
hey, You already know what it is, man. Power 1044, Freaky Funny Friday. We in here, man.
Radio, you know what it do.
We in here, man. With Oso.
What it do, man? Hey, man.
Skibo, DJ Namdi, King T.
Other gang.
Other gang. Flossie, Willie Jane Board.
In the house, in the building, with all the fellas.
Come back, King.
The comeback king.
Gotta get that in there.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, it's already known.
It's explosive in here today, man.
Oh, man, every Friday it's going to get better and better and better. It's Power Plug Radio. So, look, shout out to all the Power Plugs that ain't here yet. That's out there. Tasha the Model, what up?
Tamika the Model was good.
What's good? Hey, Gemini, what up? Passionate P, what up?
Stacks, where you at?
You already know, man.
This guy, man. He
You know what I'm saying?
He is
Yes,
super excited, man.
So,
But this coming Tuesday, man, you definitely want to be right here on Power Plug, man. For real.
yeah, indeed, man.
Want to be here.
We got some
Who y'all got?
phone call guests, man. We'll be having 8 Ball and MJG.
Oh, Lord.
Right.
As well as Hot Boy Turk.
That's
He's
what
better
up.
have my money.
Hot boys. So, you know what I'm saying? You do want to be plugged in with the Power Plugs on Tuesday, 4 to 6. We'll be in here, man. Also, we'll be featuring one of Charlotte's very own, man, the authors. Mike Sanders will be in the building. Thirsty. Y'all know about Mike Sanders, one of the greatest authors of running around here. So, again, Tuesday, Tempting Lady Tuesday, will be a food for real.
4 to 6 every Tuesday through Friday. You want to have your radios all the way right here. You know what I'm saying?
Indeed.
It's going down. DOWN like 4 flat tires. We'll be back on the flip side with DJ Namdi. We got some, messages to give y'all. You know what I'm saying?
Of it?
Yeah. That's how we doing it, man. Power 1044, Power Plug Radio, Freaky Funny Friday.
Right.
Yeah.
And we'll be back to you.
Yeah, babe.
Yeah. Power 1044, man. We back in the building.
Power Plug Radio.
Yeah, that's right. You already know, man. DJ Namdi in the mix. We in here, man. I bet y'all didn't know this right here, man.
What?
Guess who sold the most albums last year? I'm not talking about streams because we're in a different era now, with streams count and stuff like that. But I'm talking about physical sales.
Kanye West?
Soldier Boy?
No, one more guess.
Nick Cannon?
Eminem.
Oh man,
That's crazy though. in this era of everybody,
Oh, so
That is so.
man,
yeah, it's
out,
crazy.
man.
Physical sales. Over
Yeah,
700,000
he got a hell of
copies.
a following.
Because everybody not on the physical no more.
True,
Right?
true.
We grew up in the physical era.
Indeed.
Well, we used to read the whole
Yeah, we wanted to
insert.
see the
We wanted to
insert.
see
Who
who
did the
produced
beats?
it, where it was produced at. We wanted to see all of that. You know what I'm saying?
Right,
Now,
right.
you have to Google that stuff.
And that's crazy, man. But it ain't no surprise. How about that?
And remember, back in the day, release day was on what now? You remember?
Tuesdays.
Yup.
Tuesday.
Every
Right.
Tuesday.
Now motherfuckers drop on. Jay was the one started that. Dropped on Friday.
Friday.
Well,
Yeah,
how y'all feel about that Nas and Swiss beat?
What
Good
about
record.
it? I ain't heard it.
Yeah.
Good record.
We're gonna have to get to that.
Yeah.
Yeah. We get that. It's easy.
Oh, I thought he was finna say they was beefing.
Oh yeah, I did.
Yeah.
You know, today ain't no telling who beefing now.
Right.
Everybody
Swiss
beef.
I want to talk about Swiss for a minute. Back when Swiss first came out, I was like, this Casio boy playing motherfucker. Get the fuck out of here.
Definitely
But
evolved.
listen,
Definitely.
when he did that jigger, I was like, he gonna be a maniac.
That's cause Hov.
Yeah.
That's Hov. That's why you saying
but
that
the
right
track
now.
was hot though.
No, it was dope.
That was a
bro.
hot track though.
But if Nas was somebody else would have been on there, you would have.
Nah, but that
said
was a
that
hot
with a low
track though.
voice.
That was a hot track, bro. You know what I mean? I gotta give him that.
Definitely
You know
was
what
a
I mean?
hot track.
And
Definitely.
all the work he doing now, you know what I mean? Switch that dude.
Doing big things. Him and his wife. Matter of
Oh
fact.
yeah. Shout out to Alicia Keys.
Yeah. Well, we about to jump back into the mix, man. DJ Namdi, Skibolive, Old Soul, Flossie.
Power Plug
Yeah,
Radio.
T. Keep forgetting your name.
Yo, SMC, Gucci CB, VIP, so fuck them niggas, look at me.
Yeah.
So we're talking around like
45. But like 3 right now.
You already know that trap of the year 4 times in a row. I'm the realest nigga in it. You already know that trap of the year 4 times. I'm the realest nigga in it. You already know I'm the realest nigga in it. You already know I'm the realest nigga in it. You already already know. Got trap of the year 4 times in a row. A lifetime supply baking soda client. A rolling watch and 3 scales. Can get about 50 in the Hummer. The birds fly down south to Georgia for the summer. Money, hoes, cars, clothes. Coke prices up and down like 6-fold. Just cause I'm flying like a helicopter. The Fed rallies on my tail, call them bird watchers. Minus the bullshit, life's great. Just got a camera on the beach in my license plate. Word on the street, teasing on the hammer hill. Bitch, get your mind right.
Those already played. Okay, go.
Let me talk to him, talk to him, talk to him, talk to him, talk to him.
Power Plug Radio, you already know what it is. You already know, let's go. DJ Namdi on the ones and twos. You already know how we do this. Let's go. Yeah. Power 1044. It's the freaky, funny Friday mix with DJ Namdi. Also in the building.
Other gang, for real.
Yeah.
So.
I know we touched on it a little bit last week, man, but you know, it's all over the news this week about R. Kelly. You know what I'm saying?
Bless his heart.
And he also celebrated a birthday, too. Did you see that footage of him celebrating his birthday?
Partying, too.
He been having a party every day.
Say, fuck what y'all talking about.
Dude's partying. But
His record sales went up too.
Yeah.
Right. But this whole Me Too movement is really like, you know, put a whole light on the situation, because honestly, if you look at it, man, there has been a lot of disrespect and not a lot of respect shown towards women.
Right.
The past 20, 30, 40, however many years, you know what I'm saying? Women had to fight for rights and all kind of stuff, and like voting and labor rights and stuff like that.
A women's revolution has happened, bro.
Yeah, definitely.
Well, we're going to get to some bills, man, and we'll be right back with you. Power Plug Radio.
Yeah. You already know what it is. Power 1044.
Yes, sir.
Skibolive in the building. DJ Namdi on the ones and twos, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna chop it up a little bit, man. It's Friday.
Power Plug Radio.
It don't even feel like a Friday either, yo.
Power Plug Radio.
Feel like Friday every day to me.
Power Plug Radio.
Hey, salute to all the Power Plugs out there, man. That's a part of the Power Plug show. They come in here Tuesday to Friday, 4 to 6. They share their time and their efforts and their talents with us, man. And we just, hey, listen. Right now, y'all probably riding home, you know, and we just want you to be safe. Take your time. You know, it's Friday, it's traffic out there, so don't be in no rush.
Exactly.
Sit back and just listen to us.
Right. And if you wanna holler at us, you can give us a call on the call in 980-224-0520.
Again, 980-224-0520. Call in.
That's right.
We here.
Yeah, we up in here, man. All
Yes,
the way,
sir.
all the way. Yeah, but actually right now, to springboard off of the R. Kelly, now they about to put out a documentary about Michael Jackson.
They did wrong.
Man.
So it's like
Let that
Listen,
man
well,
see.
the attack is on.
Long as when they show the documentary, they show how he was never found guilty for nothing.
Right.
And the people that said their parents told them and talked them into doing it when they was kids. Tell the truth. That's all I'm saying.
Right.
Don't fuck with Mike now. Don't fuck with Mike.
On that paper chase, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Leave Mike alone.
But
It's all
that was
about
why,
money.
that was the thing about. That's why Mike left here, man. Because when he went to that trial, remember he did that last trial right before he died.
Right.
He beat that. You know what I mean? Come
Yeah.
on, man. Colin McCargan, all of them done told you, man. Mike wasn't that guy. He wasn't
Yes,
playing
sir.
with no babies. He missed his childhood, and he just liked kids.
See, like
Webster said the same thing. He ain't
like
do nothing.
children.
He liked to be around children.
Dang, everybody getting a documentary.
That's what it
Can I
is.
get one?
I like to be around children. I ain't gonna play with them.
And it says right here, R. Kelly was reportedly hospitalized for panic attacks after surviving R. Kelly aired. I also saw that he mentioned that he didn't even see it.
Wow.
But I'm sure he got a lot of,
A lot of feedback from it. You already know.
A lot
They're
of
killing
people
it.
hitting him up
His
about it. I'm
DM
sure.
probably done dysfunction.
Yeah, crazy, real crazy.
He probably getting threats and all kind of shit, man.
He came up with the lies of surviving the lies from R. Kelly,
That's what he needed.
and then they Facebook took it down.
Well, I'm gonna say
He
this.
said he was going to expose everybody that exposed him.
And I stand by everything I say. Where was y'all chaps' parents at
Right.
when you up there 14, 15 years old around that 27-year-old man?
Right,
And
exactly.
just like Master P said, my interview would have came from CNN myself.
Well, look, I'm gonna keep it real with you. Jay-Z was 28, Beyonce was 16.
Okay.
You see what I'm saying?
But didn't hear the other one though.
But
Foxy Brown and Jay-Z.
Oh yeah, he
hold on.
She was
But
15
hold on.
and he burnt
27.
her.
Hold on, Dame Dash came and said Jay-Z was messing with Aaliyah too.
Yeah, before he did.
Well, yeah, you know they was engaged.
You know. So
Yeah.
so it ain't, you know what I'm saying? It ain't no secret. Hey man,
Man,
all
hell,
I
Elvis
know
Presley
is-
brung his wife down here when she was 14.
Who did?
Elvis Presley.
Oh yeah.
Right.
Oh, Elvis
Jerry
Presley.
Lewis married his cousin that she
Akeem
was
Olajuwon
13.
married a young woman.
That's what they said. But see, Akeem Olajuwon is Muslim, so
Exactly.
the
It's
Muslim
different.
rules is different
People
from
don't-
this
they don't
trash ass laws
They
in the
don't
United
understand.
States.
Right.
You heard what the fuck I said? These trash ass laws in the United States.
Yeah, cool out.
I'm on 104.4.
Relax.
what?
Relax.
For
I'm listening.
what?
Relax.
Why we
messing
relaxing?
But no, check it. 50 Cent.
Freaky Funny Fridays.
50 Cent was just awarded $30,000 in the Tierra Marie revenge porn lawsuit.
Wow.
I'm reading right here.
What happened?
Wow.
What fever some of that? What is that about right there?
It says right here, Love and Hip Hop star Tierra Marie didn't get the outcome she was looking for when a judge reportedly ordered her to pay 50 Cent $30,618 in her revenge porn lawsuit. According to The Blast, a Los Angeles judge also dismissed all charges against 50.
Wow.
Yeah. 50 originally wanted Marie to pay all his legal fees, which came to the grand total of $161,000. Ultimately, the judge didn't grant 50's request and decided on a lower amount. But that's crazy. She still had to
made a
pay.
sex tape.
She made a sex tape, and I think she accused 50 of
Leaking it or something?
leaking it on his website or something.
Oh, wow.
I think that's what it was. Crazy.
50,
Yeah.
He got that RJ in him. His
Crazy in the world of entertainment, man. Real
Man, listen,
crazy.
speaking of 50, man, what y'all think about this Floyd Mayweather beef and 50 Cent, man? You know, Floyd is just, to me, Floyd is just a show off, you know?
Yeah.
You feel like he got all the money in the
Floyd
world.
like I
Did you
can't.
see the Floyd's last post?
Yeah, with the money he threw on the baby
no.
with the watch.
Yeah, with the watches.
Yeah.
Said he got a watch for every day of the week.
Yeah.
Said
I
he got
wonder
a watch
do he
for
go to
every day.
homeless shelters and let them
That's what I'm saying,
get
man.
some of that.
Because people was talking about he broke because he did
He
that.
is
He
broke,
had that.
man.
He had that fight. He
He
did it
made
for 9
good.
million.
Listen, after that fight with Conor
9 million to
McGregor,
30
man,
seconds.
as you can see, he's been trying to fight everybody in the book. Everybody, all of a sudden now somebody just jumped quick to a fight.
Well, to me, they can't mess with that boy with them hands. Now, I'm going to go ahead and say that.
Ain't nothing to say about
Right.
it. He's
They can't mess with that boy with them hands. Man.
We ain't talking about that though.
Right. We talking about.
Yeah.
But I'm just
We
saying.
talking about his internet beef.
Yeah, the man, listen here.
Who's
the man-
he beefing with?
Yeah,
50 Cent.
Again?
Listen, the man done bought an $18 million watch and doesn't even wear it every single day.
Yeah,
$18
$18
million.
million watch. But since we're on these like topics like this, let's talk about this. Those bum Cowboys owner, the bum Cowboys owner.
Hold on,
I got
what you
two
say about the
Cowboy
midgets?
fans in here now.
What did you say about the midgets?
Who else are Cowboys?
The
fans?
midgets?
Who else
The
are
midgets? Proud Cowboy fan. Proud Cowboy fan. Proud.
Three of them.
Can I say all y'all hate? So you like
Jones.
Who you like, Sam Newton?
Nah,
You keep
Giants,
counting?
baby.
The Giants. The midgets?
No,
The midgets. That's
no,
y'all get
listen,
really
the
The midgets.
Oh, Eli's still good. He's still good.
Yeah. The midgets. The midgets.
He's better than Romo.
He's retired. The midgets.
Exactly.
Facts.
Facts.
No.
All right, check it out though. Did y'all
Read the
see the
stats.
boat that Jerry Jones just
Yeah,
bought?
200,
The yacht.
350 million.
$250 million.
It's longer than the football field.
$250 million yacht.
Two hella
They got the
pads.
speedway on the joint.
What? He's
Yeah.
got two.
They
Yeah.
got a go-kart
Ridiculousness,
speed.
man.
Yeah. He got two heliports on top of it.
Don't hate.
Crazy.
Jerry Jones got that bread, baby.
Forget the star, man. I
That's why I got a star on my arm. You know what I'm saying?
I'm
I'm a
messing with the
star.
star.
Business star.
Let's jump back into the mix, man.
Fuck the Redskins.
Hey.
And the Giants.
Let's jump back into
Giants,
the mix on
baby.
speed dial.
Y'all better win some games. Y'all better win some games.
Y'all need to win some games.
Who y'all got this weekend?
Y'all record was better than
Who
ours.
y'all got? Who y'all got?
Who you want to bet on? You want to bet on who we got?
Who y'all got?
We got the Rams. That's Saturday night.
You got the
I
Rams?
definitely
Y'all about to
take
get
that
washed.
bet. I
You
will
gonna take that
I would take that bet.
You gonna take
Y'all about
that
to get
bet?
washed.
Okay, well, all I want y'all to do, this is the
Look at
bet.
that. Fat
If
Cowboys
Dallas
for life. I
wins,
know that's right,
when
baby.
y'all come in here next week, y'all will be doing push-ups with the mic.
I owe you 50 push-ups if Dallas wins.
Well, I want
I'm gonna tell you that. I can't
I ain't
even.
I
giving
want to
none.
take it back on command.
I ain't giving none.
We take it back on command.
100 push-ups.
By the way, I'm not a part of
Damn,
this.
100.
I'm not a better.
Look, I can't even do one. I can do the
You
push-up.
got an excuse, man. You just had, you just had a situation over there, man.
Oh, my knee, sir. Yeah, that thing is terrible.
It looks
It's
terrible.
kicking like a Bruce
It looks
Lee movie
bad,
right
man.
now.
Hey, man, it makes
It looks
me-
bad, but guess
it
what?
makes
You
me
still
bleed.
here, man.
Yeah,
You still here,
I
bro.
came out to chill with y'all, you know what I'm saying?
Right, I appreciate that.
On one leg.
He got us in the building. Flossie got a zipper for a knee. You know what I'm talking
Hey,
about?
boy, I'm trying to tell you.
If I can take it off, dog,
But
I
guess
let
what?
you know.
Tell him it ain't on your face.
Is it right?
He said he can still pull one.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, no doubt.
Talking about?
Oh,
Unless you're
yeah.
married, man. You know what I'm saying?
Now, baby, you know. Like OJ, baby.
Oh, man.
Oh,
You
man.
like the juice? You like the juice? Come on, man.
Juice was the man.
Let's get back to the
Juice
music,
was
though,
the
man.
man.
DJ
Jumping
Nami
the Hertz
can't keep
commercials,
away, man.
you know what I'm
DJ Nami
saying?
on the ones and twos, the Freaky Funny Friday mix. We in there, man. Power Plug Radio.
Oh, yeah.
Got the shit that the government got. Talking money, then you up in the spot.
Real niggas say that they be wild. We on the Cayman Islands, on a yacht with our favorite albums.
A bad hole in a plate of salmon. Smoking and drinking. Nigga, is you thinking that our fate is valid?
I love my nigga for the fact that he rich.
Tight. Yeah. That was my manager for that. Oh, yeah. I'm missing all of them.
3 minutes.
3 minutes.
We can talk over that. That's a good thing to talk over. Pod 104.
Power Plug Radio.
You already know, man. Freaky Funny Friday. You inside the mix with DJ Namdi. Skibolive up in the building, man. You know how we do this, man. Every Tuesday through Friday, it goes down on your radio, 4 to 6 p.m. Eastern Time. So whatever area code you're at, whatever zip code you're at, you can listen to us, man. All over the world, man. All over the world.
Download that app, man. Tune in, man.
Yeah, get the TuneIn app and make sure you do the search for Power 1044. That's how it's going down. Follow us on all social media as well.
It's more shows that go on here too, man. You know,
Yeah.
Sundays you got the conversation from 2 to 4.
Right.
You got the holiday takeover.
Right.
You know, you know what I'm saying. You got the Papa Doc podcast.
That's what's
you know.
up. Yeah.
Shout out to Mix Mafia Entertainment. You know what I'm saying. My team that help power the power plugs.
That's what
you
it
know.
is.
Again, we got Tuesday. Plug in. We
Right.
will have 8 Ball and MJG calling
right.
in,
That's
as
right.
well as Turk from the Hot Boys. So you don't want to miss those interviews, man. And we also got Mike Sanders from Charlotte. You know what I'm saying?
I was about to say Mike Smith, but
Mike Smith coming to NBA All-Stars.
oh, that's what up. Oh, definitely got to get him up here for interview.
Yeah, man. We
Yeah.
working, man. We working
Yeah.
up here,
Matter of fact,
man.
we're gonna interview a lot of people that we
Oh, no
forgot
doubt.
about that.
Oh, no
Yeah,
doubt.
I'm at the camp out in Charlotte. That
Yeah,
week.
we're gonna be in.
It's going
Listen,
down.
Power Plug official. All the Power Plug official hosts will be in the city of Charlotte for the All-Star
Yeah, we already
weekend.
know that.
You know what I'm
Yes,
saying?
sir.
We
We
are
already know
taking
that.
hosting jobs. They got the ride and shoot video car service, you know, and that means you get a camera guy, you get a driver and an SUV for your entertainment and business guys that want to document it.
Right.
It ain't for the week. So don't, you know what I'm saying? Don't contact them people and you ain't got the money to do what they do. You know what I'm saying? So,
Right.
but anyway, you can contact them at 968-5255.
Yeah,
And,
you already know. Yeah, that
you
calling number too, 980-224-0520.
Rank it. What up, Lamar?
Man, Cowboys for life. Duke
They
suck
like
ass.
Our third season coming up,
Hey,
right?
we finna
Oh, the
whoop y'all
Patriots.
ass.
The Patriots is
Oh, they
good.
cheat.
Yeah.
They cheat.
It's over. They done good for the last decade, but it's over.
You know, they like, Tom Brady like to flatten them balls. You know what I'm saying? He like to play with them balls. I ain't saying that out loud. Pause the balls. You know what I'm saying?
Friends and two drinks and we began walking.
Oh, what's happening, babe?
Hey, what up?
We must chat about this and that. She told me what's
Hey.
Hold on. Somebody bring me back the money, please.
Hove on that new like how come? On my own, buy my own album. Stuck on stupid, I gotta keep it moving.
Yeah.
I'll never get over you until I find something new that get me high like you do. Listen to my heart go da-da, dee-dee-da-da, and my heart go da-da, dee-dee-da-da. Just won't stop it go.
We in the zone
Of it.
Power 1044. You already know what it is, man. Power Plug Radio.
In the building.
We got Manifest in the building.
Oh, Manifest finna eat right quick, man. We
You
just
got
wanted to come back
yeah,
in. We're
yeah.
gonna come and say bye. And y'all already know, man, it's been a hell of a show, a hell of a week. Y'all come back with us next week again. We got 8 Ball and MJG Tuesday. We got Turk Tuesday as well. And we got Mike Sanders. So, come on back, Power Plug Radio. We see y'all Tuesday. And Manifest, the Power Plug, the Comeback King, is going to take us out on this Annie Up beat, man. Y'all have a lovely weekend, man.
Turn me up on the headphones a little bit. The beat.
Right here.
Yeah.
This shit right there?
Yeah. Yeah, Annie up, Annie up, Annie up, Annie up, Manny up, Manny up, Manny up, Manny up. I eat rappers, rappers get ate. Please y'all hater, get the fuck out my face. I'm dedicated to this rap game, it's all freestyle. Y'all be laid back, caught me on the meanwhile. Still getting gutter, still love my brother. Still miss my sister and my father and my mother. Still going hard in the paint as I can. And you looking at the young educated black man.
Hey, man, we out of here, man. Thank y'all for sharing the moments with us, and we out, man. Y'all have a good weekend.
100.